Walking Up Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. It's raining typhoons. Hallelujah. So we have this kind of cool looking moment because it's a typhoon. It's category 8. The last buses are going by right now, so it's just changed from category 3 to category 8. And so all the people here are trying to catch their last bus. And we're on Almeida Ribeiro. We got some kind of protection from the typhoon because of the rain guard above us as well. And what we're gonna do is just walk straight down this street, and we're going to kind of give you a little view of what Macau looks like. Right now. In category 8. Basically, category 8 means that the a lot of people are getting food as well. Maybe I'll just film that real quick. So everybody's kind of getting last minute typhoon preparation. So once it hits, that means that all the stores will close, the buses will close, some stores will remain open. And it just happened about, it officially turned category 8 at 4:30. Right now it's like about 4:45 or something like that. And so the buses, that means that they won't go out anymore and they'll just finish their run. So right now they're all doing their last run. And then we also see that we have people waiting for the buses in this area. And we just walked by some people waiting for a bus, right? Yep. What did you hear them say?
I heard one of them say, let's just take any bus. Since it's gonna go like the last one.
I think it's good advice. Because if they don't catch it, then they're stuck. They'll have to walk, and if it's a bridge, then it's like they have to take a very expensive taxi. So the taxis will they'll run in a category 8 and 9 and 10, but the prices will go up significantly. So most people that are waiting for a bus don't want to pay. I forget the prices, but I think if you have to go over the bridge in a typhoon, they charge a lot more. Don't know the prices exactly, but so we are gonna walk down. Got a police right there. Got a pawn shop right here. The rain is cold. The rain is cold is right. Yeah, actually we had some really hot weather last week. The typhoon was pushing hot air into the city, so it was extremely hot and humid just a few days ago. And then when it actually arrived, there's this really cold air, so I think it's going to be kind of permanently like this now for the next few months. It's this time of year anyways, but so they're all waiting for this last buses right now. So but we got some really nice lighting in here.
Start of winter.
Yeah, this is the typhoon brought in winter. Coincidentally it happened. It is cold. The lighting is just about right now. Actually, I really like filming right about this time of night if I can. Just because the lighting can't be much better. Then you can also see, because it's a typhoon, so they'll put the glass and they even bring down these. So everybody's getting kind of prepared for it. And yesterday was windy. Yeah, yesterday was pretty windy. Yeah, it's raining. And was it raining yesterday as well? I can't remember now. It's definitely windy though. The typhoon, it was like category 3 all day yesterday. Yeah, I think it started category 1 maybe 2 days ago. Then category 3.
Yeah, your category. Like Friday.
So actually this particular street now we're kind of caught up in this construction spot. But when we come out to the side, you see this right here, Hotel New Central, 1928. This one actually used to be in movies. It's all the way down at the end of the street. And that one closed, I think it was 27 years it closed. So it ran for almost 75 years. And then 27 years ago it closed. And they just opened it about a month ago. Yeah. And I filmed it and I put it on YouTube, and somebody was telling me that that is haunted, which makes sense because it was empty for 27 years. But yeah, that's at the end of the street. So kind of interesting. Okay, so we're gonna come up over here to Sao Paulo ruins, and I think right here this looks pretty nice on the camera. This is the coloring. Got Ribeiro Street, Travessa Ribeiro Lane. We're gonna come out here and then we're gonna finish giving a little view of this particular street, and we'll give some kind of ending. So we got Sao Paulo ruins straight ahead. Oh, not Sao Paulo ruins, but we got Cinema Square. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just come around to the end of this so we can stop the camera properly, and then we'll end it. Let's just go across real quick.
But do you think it might be category 14? Since I got that notification?
That it goes where?
Do you think it would be category 14?
Nope. I think it'll go category 8 for sure. That notification is category 8. And then later, the next one would be 9, but they'll give us a warning. They won't surprise you. They'll let people know, and then later when it actually happens, they'll let people know again. So when 9 happens, then the bridges are closed. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there. We got this beautiful fountain, and I got my daughter with me. And any final words you want to say?
Make sure you take the bus on time because the typhoon number 8.
I think that's good advice. Still got some tourists out as well. All right. So we'll see you later. Stay safe for the typhoon. We're gonna get out of here. Whoa! Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.